Mr. Han, I have a few questions for you. What's the maximum profit can make in a month with this machine?
In 2015, this machine could make 500,000 RMB in a month.
Wow, that's a lot. So what's the production speed of our machine?
This machine produces 4 rows at the same time. It can cut about 150 times a minute, so it can produce around 600 pieces per minute.
What are the common specifications of the products made by this machine?
Currently, we're showing finished products with an outer packaging size of 55 centimeters, and the alcohol pads inside are 3/6 centimeters. It can also produce products with other size.
What kind of packaging method does this machine use?
4-sided sealing and heat sealing technology, which is more secure and leak-proof.
Does the whole production process require manual labor?
No, only when changing the packaging film and non-woven fabric raw materials do we need manual feeding.
Does this machine meet export standards?
As you can see, the entire machine is wrapped in 300 for stainless steel, which meets medical and export standards.
How long does it usually take to train an operator for this machine?
2 or 3 days. It's very easy to operate.
Can you show us how this machine runs?
After turning on the power, the touchscreen lights up, showing the operation interface. There are 2 language options, Chinese and English. Enter the settings interface, select the bag length. Turn on the emergency stop switch, press the start button. Now the machine start running. The machine has a production counting function, which makes it easy to keep track of the output. This is the finished product. Open one and you'll see the liquid volume is very precise.